What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. Today we're going to talk about Tenset. Yes, guys, this thing is pretty fire. It is pretty interesting, guys. This did start out as a sponsored video. Well, it is a sponsored video, but guys, doing more research into this project, I'm actually bullish on this project. Not financial advice, guys, but I mean, you guys do what you want to do. This is just my opinion on the project, and I'm going to go ahead and go over this with you guys. The details are in the description below of our agreement, by the way. So what is Tenset? All right, guys. So these guys are basically bringing the ETF into the crypto space. So this is like ETF on roids, in my opinion. It is pretty fire. You can actually trade these tokens on Uniswap, and they will be coming on Gate.io. Another piece of bullish news, guys. They're being launched on Gate.io. So in 9 days, here's the countdown, so have fun with that one. So if you're in America or any other countries who really don't allow crypto trading, you can, not crypto trading, but you know, the KYC on some exchanges, etc. You can get this on Uniswap, so have fun. So a couple things you guys need to know about the token is this. First, it's de-inflationary. There is a limit to the quote-unquote de-inflation that'll have. The lowest number it'll go to is 2.1 million, but that's really not a worry. So basically every time there is a transaction, there is a 2% fee. So it's 1% is split as dividends to other Tenset users, and the other percent is automatically burned. So you actually get paid to hold this token. So it's kind of like, bro, paying for diamond hands? That's fire. And then the other percent is burned. So it's kind of like, okay, so now there's less tokens, more demand, more people interested. Well, you tell me what that equals and figure out the equation. Anyways, guys. So staking. This is mainly where the income is coming from. And how they offer the staking is actually with the different baskets of tokens that they get. So currently in their white paper, I'll go over it as well later in the video, but they're currently using Bitcoin, Ethereum, Polkadot, they're using USDC, they're using YFDAI, and one other coin. We'll show you in the white paper. But one thing you want to know is, yes, I know Bitcoin doesn't have staking, but there's such thing as lending, guys. So that's one other thing that they're lending out, which is Bitcoin. So they have a little bit of, I guess you can say, eggs in several different baskets. So if one token goes way down and another one goes up, it balances out. That's how an ETF works, guys. Don't know how an ETF works, and you don't know how the stock market works, or you don't know what to invest in, typically a quote-unquote financial advisor would say, hey, here are a couple of ETFs to take a look at. It's because it has quote-unquote the least risk, because instead of throwing one dart at the wall hoping it sticks, you're actually shooting a shotgun and hoping to hit the target. And each token is backed by a collection of currencies. So with the staking yields and profits that they get, 30% is going to go back to users, as in passive income for buying back shares and burning the tokens. The other 70% is going to be going back to development and purchasing other cryptocurrencies, earning more income, building the company, etc. So here's kind of like a visual of what it looks like. So here's the past system, quote unquote. This is how the stock market works. Market manipulation, large complexity, trading risk, lack of price discovery, high inflation fees, lots of manipulation. Yes, there are manipulation in the crypto markets as well, but Tenset is not as massive as the others, so they don't have huge whales manipulating them. So again, time will tell. We'll see what happens, because as this project gets bigger, yes, you have whales setting their eyes on it. But guys, in my opinion, this is early for this project. This is how the whole development rolls out. So first, you buy the ETH. Then you're going to have to pay a 2% fee. 1% goes to all the other holders, and 1% is being burned. Great, awesome. Then, now that they have this token, it generates profits from staking. This is where the staking comes into play. The Tenset company has several different cryptocurrencies in their portfolio, and the profits that they earn, like I said, 30% will be used to buy back Tenset tokens to be burned, and the 70% goes towards development. And that's what the number 4 position is, the profits from staking. Here's a bit of their roadmap. They already completed Q1. You guys can kind of see what their Q1 was. They did have a funding raise of 100,000. Team creation, so they did a couple pre-sales as well, and they did get listed on Uniswap. We are in Q2 now. This is basically where they're starting and rolling out everything. They are trying to integrate with Visa as well, guys, and this is also the feature where they're in exchange reviews and applications and listings. So guys, this is very early in my opinion. How many exchanges are they on? Wait, 1, Uniswap. That's it. Just wait, guys. Look, these guys are even going to have a mobile app as well. In fact, how many people use the computer these days? Like, no one. I'm probably the only one that even uses a computer. No, I'm just kidding, guys. But most people are going to cell phones, so that is very bullish with a mobile app. If you don't believe me, a good example is I think it was Sushi Swap. They literally doubled in price as soon as they launched the mobile app. And here's where they're going to be launching the decentralized staking, voting, etc. So you guys can see they're actually working hard, and they're actually building junk. And they actually have a white paper, guys. There's so many projects launching right now that are like picture information, CoinGecko or PooCoin chart, and yeah, we're going to the moon. No, these guys actually developed and built something, and it's not just like in my opinion, a pump and dump. So where can you learn more about this project? Well, first you can go to their website. You can look into the white paper. You can go on their Twitter and look at all the different things that they have on their protocol. You can go on their Twitter and see their different announcements that they have. Guys, they have 67.6K followers. You can check out their YouTube channel. It looks like they pop out a video at least once a month. They have AMAs. So again, guys, these guys are pretty active. They aren't just kind of like a fly-by-night, so keep that in mind, guys. Let's go ahead and show you guys their GitHub as well. And I know they mentioned staking a lot of times, but this is what I love about the staking here. Yes, our staking works automatically on every wallet, guys. So you don't have to go in there, go into a wallet, stake the tokens, and then recompound and stake and paying the gas fees, watching the farms. No, guys, this is automatic, guys. It's the 21st century. We shouldn't have to go on websites and click pop. No, I want it in my wallet. Let it do its thing. Go for it. I don't want to have to touch it. I want to sit it and forget it. That's how an ETF should be. Guys, these guys knew what they were doing. They were making it smart. Here's their team, guys. Their team is a group of brilliant minds. These guys have been in the blockchain space since 2014. This is what they do, guys. They're entrepreneurs, business managers, blockchain developers. Guys, these guys are smart. They put together a very neat website and a great project. Highly recommend you guys take a look into them. Here's their current supplies as well. They've already burned 6.4 million tokens. So guys, take a look into it. I know a lot of you people are asking this. I asked this myself. Well, isn't this considered a security since they're paying dividends? Well, no. Look, they actually passed the Howey test, and they were not considered a security. So they went ahead and passed that, and they're getting listed on exchanges too. They also have a partnership with Palantir ICO. So guys, they do have some major VCs coming into this as well, and that's very bullish. When major VCs are backing it and looking into it, well, there's something going on there. Let me go ahead and dig a little bit into the white paper for you. So here are the different phases. They already did the launch of the testnet, and now we're on to phase 2. So phase 1 was kind of the test, basically testing the product, making sure it works. And now this is phase 2. This is where they're getting the crypto assets, and they're going to start staking these, earning yields, and it's going to amp up the burning, guys. So we're already seeing some burning. We hadn't seen nothing yet. Then we're going to have community voting as well in the second phase. So it's kind of bullish on there because now you have a say in the network. This is the third phase. This is what's interesting to me as well. They're going to bring in stocks as well. So I know you guys are looking at 1.9%. How did they get that figure out of this? Well, if you add all these figures together, yes, you had some negative. Yes, you had some positive. But overall, you had a return of 1.9%. So it's kind of like shooting a shotgun at a target. You're gonna hit it, but if you throw a dart at a target, you may hit it. You may get a win-win. It may be awesome. You may like just make not crazy gains, but we're talking about a dart. You may win that toy. But if you use a shotgun, dude, you're guaranteed to win a toy. It may not be the best toy, but you're going to win a toy. So that's how you can relate it, is like shooting a shotgun at a target. This is how the ETFs typically work, even in the stock market. Here's how they're going to do it. They're actually going to integrate with Visa. So they're going to allow payments with Visa, guys. This is very bullish. A lot of people are scared to get into crypto, but they know Visa, and they know this piece of plastic can buy that good or this food or this, that, because they're used to credit cards, guys. So now Visa, they can buy this Tenset token or Tenset token. So it's kind of like, oh, well, guys, no brainer. Here's a little bit about the pre-sales that they have. You guys can take a look. But what I love about the pre-sale is this. They had a maximum investment for investors. Why is this important? Well, this limits the amount of whales that can get into it. If a whale is like, oh man, I'm gonna buy the whole farm. Well, then it's like, oh snap, they own the whole thing. If they want to dump, they're gonna dump. So it's kind of like, great. Well, it was a good distribution though, how they did it. And I know we mentioned the 30%, 70% split. 30% is going to holders of the Tenset. Here's where the 70% comes into play. Reinvestments to increase the number of assets, supporting the company and team, expansion of the project, and marketing, creating partnerships, finding the right companies, etc. Here's a breakdown with the wallets. 5% for liquidity reserve, 5% for marketing, 10% to team and advisors, 10% to company and reserve, and 70% in the sales pool. In my opinion, guys, that is a very fair distributed ICO launch. So guys, if you want to learn more about Tenset, go ahead and check out their either Telegram to ask more questions. You can leave comments in the description below. You can also visit their YouTube. You can go to the Twitter for the announcements. Guys, thanks for tuning in. If you guys enjoyed the video, smash up the like, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell notification. That way you guys are notified every time when we make a new one. Tell me your thoughts below about you guys, or tell me your thoughts below what you guys think of Tenset. Do you think it's a game changer? Do you think it's not so much? Anyways, guys, let's leave you guys with the best part about the video, the wisdom one-liner. Proverbs chapter 27 verses 12. The prudent see danger and take refuge, but the simple keep going and pay the penalty. Example of this, you could have bought some silk chain. Yeah, buy it right up here. Lose everything. Anyways, guys. Thanks for watching, guys. If you guys are new to the channel, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button and hit that bell notification. That way you guys can be ahead of the game every time we make a new video. If you guys are new to cryptocurrency, don't know where to get started, don't know what to invest in, well, participate in the triple threat. The first thing, set up a Celsius account. This is for your savings. This is where you're going to store your cryptocurrency and you can earn interest. It can be up to 5%, 6%. 10%, and they even have some as high as 17%. Here's a referral link. Use this referral link in order to get 20 bucks in free Bitcoin. Part 2 of the triple threat is to get a crypto.com. Crypto.com account is one of the best places, especially for a beginner, to buy cryptocurrencies or smaller altcoins. So now you have a savings account. Now you need to get a cryptocurrency wallet that allows you to buy those smaller altcoins like your Engine coin, your Raven coin, just like smaller alts, so you guys can participate in those big plays. My referral code is down here. If you use this, you'll get 25 bucks free. And the next one is Voyager. Voyager is awesome. There's a list of different cryptocurrencies you can use. What I like about Voyager in particular is you can actually make your next level up in buying cryptocurrencies. You can actually buy Bitcoin with a limit order. So you just hit buy Bitcoin, hit limit, and you type in how much you want. Boom, you're off to the races. So you don't have to watch it and make sure it's a good buy-in. Here's a referral code you guys can use to get some free cryptocurrency. This will allow you to get $25 for free. Can't beat free. And then obviously this is just a fun one so you can get free cryptocurrency, is going on Lolly. You get a daily stack. All you do is you tap the treasure chest and you get free sats. And it's literally free. One of the days I literally got 20 bucks in free Bitcoin. Look, 101,000 sats.
pretty cool.